see a baby with her eyes open, because I changed her bone. Now she's awake. It's camera, not it's video, not camera. And she's looking at me. And she's sweet. No, don't go back to sleep. Don't go back to sleep now that your beautiful eyes are open. Hi.
You want to talk to her?
You look so
When was the last time you talked to her?
Hi, cutie. Oh, you're just the sweetest thing ever. You're the sweetest little baby ever. Hi. Oh. 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 Oh my God, she sneezed.
Yeah, she sneezed.
The cutest baby in the world. Hi.
Okay. Love you too.
Hello? She sneezed. She sneezed, Melissa. It was so cute. It was like a blue. And again. That's so awesome. She's like, what is that blinking light? You're so sweet. Oh. God, your face is so cute. Not you, Melissa. The baby. She's like following the camera. She's like, what are you doing to me? With her tiny little body. That's the size of my lap. It's so dark. I cannot see. Oh, she's falling asleep. Why did Jeff break his phone? Hmm?